Yeah, this is the first time I've seen 3 4-inch ports. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Seats.
Uh-huh.
And I just ran it in there to keep the amplifier a little bit cool.
Nice. All right. That's pretty smart. I like that. Wow, this is very unique.
Well, I built it just to show people that you don't have to have a mega build. You know, you can basically have a build that's simple, but I'm trying to show that.
Wow. Yeah, this is really cool. Not often do I see a subwoofer box have like a plexi view here. You can see sub action shot and how the box is built with the Aeroport's depth. And then what is this, 3 4-inch?
Yes, 4 inch. They're 12-inch long. It's 2 to 32 hertz.
Okay.
Creative Enclosures in Williamsburg, Kentucky built the box for me.
Yes, sir.
These are 4 ohm scarred audio BHX.
Okay.
JP23 tuned wired down to 1 ohm. 2 excess power D3400 batteries and a 240 McMahon alternator.
Nice. So you got an all-around good electrical system to support.
I really need more power. I'm gonna switch over to lithium after this show.
Yes, sir. How big is the box, cubic wise?
4 cubic foot. Okay. Hopefully with this internet.
What frequency range is it like, and do you know your peak frequency or SPL score or anything like that?
I only had it in here for 3 days.
3 days, okay.
So I'm still bouncing around.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if I can get something to play here with this.
You're good. All right. And did you do the install?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Who built the box, you said?
Creative Enclosures.
Okay.
Out of Kentucky.
Nice. Have you ever tried doing, I know you said it's only been a few days, but maybe consider try plugging a port just to see the difference?
I'm going to try that today.
Yeah.
Going through the lanes.
Just to see your bandwidth change and how it reacted.
Yeah.
But I bet you it'll be loudest with all 3.
I'm hoping.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
I'm doing it basically show kids that you don't have to do dope, you don't have to be in a gang.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Throw your money in a sound system and become a bass at it.
Yeah, man. It brings a new hobby to them.
Now,
awesome.
I just noticed I was dropping way down to low in the 13s, but
that's not too bad.
Well,
I've seen 12s and 11s, but it's still, of course, you'd be better with 14s. Yeah.
I mean, for what I got invested in the system, I'm very pleased with it so far. But eventually I've got to take this headliner out. I'm going to have to put 2 layers of plywood in it, strut bar, because the top roof is flexing real bad.
Yeah. I was gonna ask you, I see you done some work in the back. Have you done anything on the roof yet?
Not yet.
Nothing yet.
I basically just ran out of time.
Yes, sir. Okay. Awesome.
That's all. That's good.
All right.
But I'm the shit. Got some hit when I was 6. I do 30 and match. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Flying down in the building, put a ratchet car. I've been drinking raw, drinking raw, drinking raw. My girl with me, she look just like a Barbie doll. Hate to brag, but I'm the shit. Got some hair when I was 6. I do 30 in that Jeep. Do that make me a trick? House on the lake, but I don't even know how to fix. Damn. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. But I'm the shit. Got some heat when I was 6. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Flying down in the building, look race car. I've been drinking raw, drinking raw, drinking raw. My girl with me, she look just like a Barbie doll.
That's actually pretty good, man. And you said pretty overall budget build. That sounds really great. Well, hey, what was your name?
Michael.
Michael. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.